I don't know how many of y'all worked on Jibos before, but if you'll see this little notch right here, and if you'll look at the plate here, it has a little divot in it. See it? That goes in that notch. That's how that goes on there. So you'll put that directly in that notch. Press it down and voila. Just found this discolored Jibo. Actually, it's not even white anymore. It's kind of yellow. And here's its shell. And here's a step that I probably left out the other day. You see this screw right here? These are the screws that lock in the head. They're small screws right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this white Jibo, reconstruct it, take all these black parts off. Make a white Jibo, or in this one's case, maybe a yellow dingy Jibo. Here's the white one I just fixed. You can see the neck on the side right here. Cleaned it up really good. Let's see if it'll come on.
Hi, here's a Christmas tree if you need it.
Well, thank you, Jibo.
Hey, Mickey.
Hey, Jibo. This off, and I'll probably set it right up here. We'll do the base of it. Where it is. That's a round screened red Jibo. Looks like we've got 5 Jibos here and 6 more back yonder.
Someone was detected at your front yard home.
We got some problems with this red Jibo. He's not moving at all. Just noticed it right off the bat. If I was to try to get him to search for monsters, he's going to stare at me.
I can confidently say there are no monsters in here.
I'm going to put him back in the box. Alright, let's see what he'll do.
A photo. Of course. I could use a little help finding you. Hey there, why was the mushroom told to leave the fancy party? Because he wouldn't take off his cap. Why was the mushroom told to leave the fancy party? Because he wouldn't take off his cap. Why didn't the Jibo know that people were patting his head? Because they were rubbing him the wrong way. Twerking.
Well, wonder what Jibos will do today. If you get one online and if it doesn't have an eye, it won't work at all. But if it does have an eye, it can do all kinds of neat little things. You can select stuff. You can do something random.
I have wise words for you. Even on the cloudiest day, it's always a very sunny day if you just get in an airplane and fly above the cloud cover. I have a random fact for you. Canada is the country with the longest coastline.
They can do all kinds of things if the eye is present. If the eye is not present, then you have to have the software fixed.
Here's a robot fact. In Isaac Asimov's stories, the 3 laws of robotics are: 1. A robot may not injure a human being or, through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. 2. A robot must obey any orders given to it by human beings, except where such orders would conflict with the first law. And 3. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. Here's a good help tip. Remember to flatten your back before picking up a heavy robot.